Speaking on the resolution moved by my colleagues, by Divya Rani and others, about the heavy flow on Valvanti River and rains, flooding, inundation, landslide and waterlogging which is happening on the whole state of Goa. Speaker sir, I will not take much of your time, but I will request Revenue Minister that I've seen in my own constituencies, houses have collapsed, they do a Panchanama, but they do not, the deputy collectors do not have powers to give anything to those people. I think if you seriously look into it, there is fund under disaster management from the center, from the state, and we should be able to, before the disaster occurs, we should be able to do. I have noticed that now we know there are two things, like a tree is leaning towards a house. That tree cannot be cut by the fire department because they say only if it falls on the house, then we'll come and cut it. And disaster management order is passed. But who is sent it to PWD? PWD has an estimate. By the time the tree is fallen and the house is broken. Example I'm giving you. So some sort of powers can be given to the deputy collector, the funds allotted to them, where they can give that money immediately. Because assessment is done by PWD, building section for a building, or assessment is done. There's nothing hodgepodge in it. But breaking a tree today, cutting the tree, nobody comes less than 15 to 20, 25,000. Your 2,000 and 3,000 will not work, Speaker sir. So let us find some practical solutions to what it is. I am not saying that they are doing not work, but give the deputy collectors enough money. Money can be given, give them powers. And then afterwards you take the whatever precautions, how to give it, powers to disperse this type of problem. Now an example I'll give. In Paroda, they were saying, the river goes along my side. We can see the embankment collapsing. Now WRD will come, make an estimate, they will have time. But as disaster management, if they give that particular powers, in the sense money can be drawn from disaster, but if they direct them to do the work, they will immediately do the work. Otherwise the solution is not there. So kindly look into that. It's all over Goa. It's not only in Valvanti River, but everywhere else is there. So I think if you intervene and give those solutions to these problems, I think people will bless you. Thank you, Speaker sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.